Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove an object or a person from an image using free artificial intelligence. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to help. Let's start the video by opening the Play Store app and searching for the app called AI Retouch. This is the application that we will use to remove people or objects from the background of an image. As you can see, it has an extremely good rating of 4.9 stars. Let's open the app. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you for permission to access your gallery, then you can allow it. To start, click on this first square where it says Remove Object. Here your photos from your cell phone gallery will appear. Click on a photo where you want to remove the object. I downloaded this image from Google where it shows two people running in a park. We can see that there is a woman and a man. To remove an object or person, click AI Remove. To remove the person or object from the image, paint over the object you want to delete. I want to remove this woman from the photo, so I will paint over the woman. To remove, click on the white Remove button. See that the woman I painted has successfully disappeared from the photo. You can do this to as many objects as you want. If you want to remove 5 people from a photo, you can remove all of them or even more. Now, just save the image to your gallery by clicking on the top right corner of the screen. Your photo has been saved successfully.